The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There once a shepherd boy who was bored as he sat on the hillside, watching the village sleep. Crew, crew, to amuse himself, he took a great breath and sang out, "Ah, woo!" The wolf is chasing the sheep. The villagers came and running up the hill to help the boy drive the wolf away. But when they arrived at the top of the hill, they found no wolf. The boy laughed, "Ha ha ha," at the sight of their angry faces. "Don't cry, "Ow!" Shepherd boy, when there's no wolf," said the angry villagers. Later, the boy sang out, "Ow! Ow!" The wolf is chasing the sheep. To his naughty delight, he watched the villagers run up the hill to help him drive the wolf away. When the villagers saw no wolf, they sternly said, "Save your frightened song, for when there is really something wrong, don't cry, ow!" When there is no wolf, but the boy just grinned and watched them go grumbling the hill once more. Later, he saw a real wolf prowling about his flock. Alarmed, he leaped to his feet and sang out as loudly as he could, "Ow! Ow!" But the villager thought he was trying to pull them again, so they did not come. At sunset, everyone wondered why the shepherd boy had not returned to the village with her sheep. They went up the hill to find the boy. They found him weeping. "There really was a wolf here. The flock has scattered. I cried, 'Ow! Why didn't you come?'" An old man tried to comfort the boy as they walked back to the village. "We'll help you look for the lost sheep." In the morning, he said, "Nobody believes a liar, even when he is telling the truth." The end. And I think